Hi there, CreativeSarah here, and I have this cool sample kit tutorial for you today. What I'm going to show you, first of all, thank you so much for grabbing your sample kit from me. I would love to walk you through it. So when you open it up, there are going to be some instructions, and then you're going to find all of the materials right there. You're going to have a tag with a string or a ribbon, and then you will also have a packet of our chalk paste right there. And then you're going to have a little squeegee. That is going to be what you're going to use to spread the chalk paste. And then finally, you will have a little mini stencil, or what we call a transfer. It is a sticky backed stencil. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go ahead and peel the backer sheet off of the stencil, but save it. Don't throw that away. Then what we always say is to fuzz the sticky part because it's a brand new sticky stencil. You can fuzz it by just adding a little fuzz from your shirt or a towel. Just stick it down a couple times. It'll pick up a little bit of fuzz and it won't be super duper sticky. All right, then we're gonna take our tag and you're just gonna kind of center it, put it wherever you want, line it up. You may have that cute little bumblebee design. This is the home sweet home, or you may have a holiday design. Whatever came in your kit, use it. All right, so here we have our paste. Now, I am gonna teach you something a little different. I want you to trim off the bottom white part of the packet. I'm gonna help you use this, get the most use out of this packet. Now, you're gonna grab either a stir stick or like a plastic knife, or even a popsicle stick, just to reach in and grab some of that paste and put it onto your stencil. Once you put it on your stencil, you're just gonna kind of set that aside and grab your squeegee. You're gonna use this as a scraper. You're gonna kind of scrape that down through the silk screen, just spreading the paste out, okay? Kind of like a spatula. You're just scraping, being careful to kind of stay on the transfer the stencil. And then we're going to carefully peel off the stencil to reveal the beautiful design. Now, this is wet, so don't touch it. We're going to let that dry. But I'm going to show you how to clean your stencil. You're just going to put it in some water and get most of that chalk off of there. And then you can use a disinfectant wipe to wipe the front and the back. And then we're going to let it dry. So you're going to let that stencil dry upside down with the sticky side facing up. And while it's drying, you can put your little ribbon or string right onto the tag that we have here. Now, the cool thing about this kit is that you're not done. You made your tag and it's adorable and you can use it wherever you want, but you have more chalk paste and a reusable stencil. So let's do some other things. Grab a candle. You can use this on glass, you can use it on wood, you can use it on anything. Look at that, how cute on just a little jar candle. Now I'm gonna use it again on a little wooden pumpkin cutout. You guys, the opportunities to use this are endless. And you've got so much chalk left in your packet. I'm gonna show you how to kind of save that so that you can use it on another day as well. Go ahead and just roll that up and put a piece of tape on it, and then you can see the color on the packet and reuse it. There you go. Now, make sure to check out my online shop for more project kits.